Sometimes you just want to change the color of a text. Sometimes you want to change just one line of JavaScript. And sometimes you want to edit code without leaving the browser. But the question is why? Suppose you're not the core contributor of the project, and a web development project requires a really long time to set up properly in your local. So often it's easier to write code in the browser without actually installing anything. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit JavaScript and CSS right inside the browser without installing any third-party tools. All you need is just one browser. We're going to use Chrome browser here. Okay, I have this page where I am showing a CSS logo. You can definitely inspect the page and you can update the width and height. I'm increasing the height. Now the thing is, you can experiment your CSS here right in the browser, but as soon as you refresh the browser, your change is gone. It's fine for CSS, but what about JS? Suppose I have this JavaScript page where I want to add some alert. So I have opened the file in the sources and I'm adding an alert. Now how to execute this alert? If I refresh the page, my change is gone. And that's why Chrome DevTools provide one feature called override. To override any JavaScript in the Chrome DevTools, you have to go to the sources tab and then open the left sidebar. You will have different tabs. You have to select overrides tab. In this overrides tab, you might be seeing this select folder for override, and you have to select some folder from your local that is going to be used for storing the files that you change, right? As soon as you select the folder, Chrome will ask for permission because Chrome wants to save and delete or edit data in the folder. I'm going to allow it. Now you can see that one checkbox have arrived, enable local override. It is checked right now. If you don't want to override, you can uncheck it. But once you have done that, you will be able to edit code in the browser. See, in this JS file, I'm going to add one alert. Now as soon as you save it using Ctrl S, can you see one purple dot arrived here? That means this file is being overridden. Similarly, if you have a CSS file, you can change the CSS file over here. And also in Elements tab, example that I showed you before. So I'm changing the height for this logo, right? Just after changing, you don't have to save it also. You can see one purple dot in the style.css file. That means it has been overridden. Now if you refresh the page, your change is still there because this file is overridden. Now after the experimentation, when you are ready to commit, to see the changes, you can just open the overridden folder and you will have the overridden files. Now you can push your changes from here. You don't have to set up the repository in your local. This will definitely save some of your time. So try it, experiment with it, and let me know your experience with it in the comment.